If you're still rocking with the dunks, then we do have the special dunk for you. It does come out at a higher price point of 120. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got that what?
Weekly
That
heat.
weekly heat, baby.
Weekly
That
heat.
weekly heat.
Yes, sir.
So just to let you know, these shoes are coming out October 13th to October 19th. Unfortunately, we don't have any major retro Jordans that are releasing, so we are going to highlight again, like we did last time, some Nikes that we think you may be interested in. Go ahead and start us off, my brother.
Yeah, October the 17th, we got the Kobe 5s coming out. X-Ray. This shoe was inspired by the iconic Five Rings t-shirt, right? That came out a few years ago. This shoe here is price point of 190. This shoe here, what it symbolizes Kobe Bryant hand, and basically what it did is show like how, all his injuries he had on his hand, and it's showing his 5 rings he won. So just looking at this shoe, just having his hand right on the shoe, that's volumes to me. Nike brand and Kobe. Hey, it's a nice depict of the shoe itself. This shoe is clean. I mean, it's a basic Kobe shoe. What I really love about this shoe is the color, because it actually looked like an X-ray, right? So I will be rocking these. I like the message that it has, that reads broken but not beaten. That right there just shows how resilient, Kobe was. Rest in peace, Kobe. But the fight that he had, that, he was just a true basketball athlete, right? So I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
So I'll be rocking these as well. As you know, I did unbox a pair of Kobe. You can check out that video right there. And what I like about this is coming out at the right time, because we know that Halloween is around the corner, and I can see these being like a Halloween shoe to rock as casual or on the court. Kind of reminds me of the Air Force Ones, those Halloweens. They did have the feet on there, but this one's taking a little bit different approach using the hand of Kobe. And like my brother said, because of what it represents and what Kobe meant to the NBA and his big impact in this world, I will be rocking these. So let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, will you be rocking these or dropping these? So moving on to the last shoe on the list. This is another Nike shoe. This is the Nike What the Dunk Low JOJP. So as we know, the history of this shoe, the original shoe came out in 2007, What the Dunk, but it's obviously has a different concept this year. So with this year's mismatch of patterns, as we see on the shoe, most of these will be taken from the Collegiate Pack, which did release in a multitude of colors. And as a reflection of that, we do have all of the college teams on here in one shoe. And now both of the shoes will be two different colors. If you pick these up, you won't have a problem matching anything that you own. And you got pretty much the colors of the rainbow right here. But if we look at the side, we do see red. In the middle of the section, we see that gold. On the back, we see that orange. And then on the other shoe, again, it's a multitude of colors. Kind of see that it's a whole different set of patterns of collegiate dunk shoes. We see the blue and yellow on the Michigan, and then right in the middle, it kind of looks like a UNC, and then on the back of the other shoe, it does have that red, which makes the shoe pop. You see Nike displayed on the back of each shoes, one featuring in orange and one featuring in red. I can't say that I'm a fan of this shoe. I'm more of a matchy person, so in my opinion, I will be dropping these, but let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, you plan to pick these up, these What the Dunks. So what about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
Hey, I'm all about putting my shoes or my sneakers together with the outfit, and this shoe just looked too busy. It's just busy, and I will be dropping those as well. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
If you're still rocking with the dunks, then we do have the special dunk for you. It does come out at a higher price point of 120. I can see these sitting because dunks are not in style anymore, but only time will tell for that.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.